Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LipMonthly subscription for October. I love the bag this month. It's Halloween, so we got some pumpkins and candy and lipstick and spider webs, so I love that. Very cute. So let's see what kind of lip products I got this month. Oh, there's a card. Let me pull out the card first. On a bad day, there's always lipstick. That's cute. So this is the October bag. I'll show this again at the end. It just gives the products that are inside and how much they retail for. Liquid Matte Long Wear Liquid Lipstick by So Susan Cosmetics. So let's see what shade it is. Ooh, that's pretty. That's nice. I do like the darker colors like that. It goes better. I think it looks better on me as opposed to like reds or pinks. So I do like that. Also have Luna by Luna in the shade Queen. Ooh, lip oil. That's neat. I do honestly wear a lot of like lip gloss and chapstick and stuff, so I do like that. I want to feel how thick it is. Yeah, there's a little thickness to it. I do like that a lot. That's nice. Then there is a lip pencil, Lord and Berry Mandarin Lip Liner. That's a cool shade, I could already tell. Yeah, that's neat. On camera it's showing darker, but in person it's pretty bright. Very cool looking. And the last item, ooh, BellaPierre Cosmetics Neptune Holographic Lip Gloss. That's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. So I just opened this and put some on. It smells really nice. So it's just, ooh, that's pretty. I love that. I know I will definitely use these two probably the most, but this is always nice for color. And of course we have a liner. So let's see what the card says. So this liquid matte lipstick is $14. The lip oil is $18. The holographic lip gloss is $19.95, and then the lip pencil is $12. So that's what I got for my October bag, and this subscription is only $10 a month, so it's a super good deal. If you guys are interested, I will put all the information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.